Basic Business English Communication. Today, we're learning how to write professional emails in business English, including the structure of a business email and tips for clarity, tone, and professional. So, are you ready? Let's get into it. And the first thing is subject line. The subject line is the first thing your recipient will see, so it should clearly reflect the content in your email. A good subject line will grab attention and provide the recipient an idea of what to expect. Some examples are meeting request, follow up on. Once you have written your subject line, it's time for the greeting. A polite greeting will set the tone for the email. The formality of your greeting will depend on the kind of relationship you have with the receiver and the context of the communication. Some formal greetings include dear recipient's name, hello recipient's name, good morning recipient's name, to whom it may concern. Use this only when you don't know the name of the recipient. And an informal greeting can include hi recipient's name, hey recipient's name. Once you've done your greeting, it's time for the opening line. The opening line of your email should provide context for why you are writing to them and to give the recipient an idea of what to expect. If this is the first email you've sent to them, make sure to introduce yourself briefly. Some examples include, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to follow up on our meeting last. I hope you had a good weekend. It was a pleasure meeting you at event. I wanted to reach out regarding specific topic. Once you've done that, it's time to move on to the body of your email, which is where you will convey your message. Make sure to be clear and concise and avoid long paragraphs. Break the text into shorter paragraphs, better readability. This is especially important since most people read emails on their phone. Make sure to be clear, being specific and direct about what you're writing to them about, and maintain a professional tone. Next is the closing line. This should encourage the recipient to respond or take action. It should express some appreciation or gratitude where appropriate. Some examples include, thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your response. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate your assistance with this matter. Now, let's go into greater detail for tone, clarity, and professionalism. But first, before I get back to the video, let me ask you this. Are you tired of struggling with your English and feeling like you're not making progress? Are you tired of missing out on amazing job opportunities in English speaking scenarios because of your English? If you're watching this and deep down know that your English skills are holding you back, then it's time to take action. Check out the link in the description and first pinned comment to book a free consultation call for my online English coaching program, which is designed to help people like you overcome these challenges once and for all. I've helped so many of my clients go from feeling limited and frustrated to super confident and fluent, so they can take advantage of all the amazing opportunities that a good level of English provides. I'm talking about getting promoted, working with higher paying English speaking clients, and most importantly, making more money. So don't let another opportunity miss you because you didn't invest in yourself. Click the link in the description and secure your spot for a free consultation call. Alright, enough of this. Let's get back to the video. Tips for clarity, tone, and professionalism in email writing. Writing a good professional email isn't just about having good grammar, but also an understanding of tone, clarity, and how to maintain professionalism in your writing. So here are some key tips to help you craft your emails that are clear, polite, and convey your message effectively. Clarity. Be direct and to the point. Try to avoid overly complex sentences or highly technical words that could confuse the reader. Stick to clear, simple language. Make your point early in the email. Don't bury it in the middle or the end. So for example, instead of saying, I just wanted to ask if you might be available for a brief chat regarding the matter we discussed previously, instead you can say, could we schedule a time to discuss specific topic? Make sure to use proper structure. Break up your email into smaller paragraphs, ideally focusing on one point per paragraph. This will make it easier to read and understand. If your email includes multiple requests or pieces of information, use bullet points or numbered lists to organize it clearly. Avoid ambiguity. Be specific about dates, times, locations, and actions. If you are asking for a reply, state clearly what you need and by when. For example, instead of saying, please let me know your thoughts, instead say, please let me know your availability for a meeting by Friday. And make sure to proofread for errors. Typos, grammatical errors, and unclear phrases can confuse your reader or create a negative impression. Always proofread your emails to ensure clarity and accuracy in what you want to say. Match your tone to the audience. So as you're writing your email, consider your relationship to the recipient. Change your tone to be more formal with clients and superiors and more relaxed with team members and colleagues. For example, with a superior you would write, I would appreciate your feedback on the report. But with a colleague you can say, let me know what you think about the report when you get the chance. Always be polite and respectful. Remember to always use polite expressions like please, thank you, sorry for the inconvenience, and I appreciate your time. And avoid negative tones. If you're addressing an issue or giving negative feedback, frame it in a constructive way and focus on the solutions instead of the complaints. For example, instead of saying, this report is full of errors, you can say, I noticed a few areas in the report that may need further revision. Let me know if you like my help. And be friendly and professional. A smiley face or too casual language can come across as unprofessional in a business email. While being friendly is important, make sure to maintain a balance between warmth and professionalism. Make sure to use formal greetings and sign-offs. Starting and ending your email with a professional greeting and closing really improves your credibility, which is especially important as a non-native international professional. For greetings, you can say Mr. Smith or hello name. Sign-offs, you can say best regards, sincerely, or kind regards. Avoid emojis and overly casual language. Emojis can be way too informal in professional communication, so keep your language polished and respectful, even if you have a friendly relationship with the recipient. Use correct titles and names. Address your recipient with the correct title, Mr., Miss, Doctor, etc., unless they have explicitly told you otherwise. If you're unsure, it's always safer to use the more formal version. And make sure to be mindful of cultural differences. Tone and formality can change depending on the culture. What might seem appropriate in one culture may be too casual in another, and vice versa. If you're communicating with someone from a different culture, make sure to do your research and look up what is acceptable for a professional tone in their country of origin. If you're looking for more help in improving your English skills, then consider applying for my online English coaching program. If you need feedback, accountability, and guidance to achieve your goals in English and go from feeling limited and frustrated to super confident and fluent so you can take advantage of all the amazing opportunities that English provides. And I'm talking about getting promoted, working for a higher paying international company, and making more money with my help, then click the link in the description and first pinned comment to book a free consultation call to see how I can help you achieve your goals. Don't miss out on another amazing opportunity because of your English skills. Click the link in the description and first pinned comment to book a free consultation call to see how I can help you. But if you're not ready for that just yet, now that you've learned how to write a professional email in business English, your next step is to learn how to make and receive calls in English. Also, if you missed out on the last episode, make sure to check out the playlist link in the description so you can maximize your results. If you're ready to make a call like a native speaker, check out this video here where I talk all about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you want to continue this series, make sure to subscribe for another episode released next week. And I hope to see you in next one. Bye!